Scum TV presents Pick Popcorn Ident Bloopers. Okie dokie. Places everyone. Roll camera. Cue the wait the me Marcy, you can't star virus. At least we make it just in time. Oh hey Godson King Kong, you're back from your vacation in Tokyo. Also, we have a new crew joining us in Scum TV studios. Hello everyone. I'm the new recruiter in Scum TV studios. Wait, is that Darth Vader from Star Wars? Yes, didn't expect me to be here, did you? Now I've got Son Kong returned from the vacation and Darth Vader joining the fun, we can get on with the stick. Roll camera, cue the Ident. The amazing digital circus, we've already seen our logo in ITV2 building Ident Bloopers. Yeah, but with episode 3 coming out on October 4th, why not we put it as the first blooper of the video? Also, ITV2 building Ident Bloopers is the first logo blooper episode where me and the other smiling critics first appeared. Hold on a sec, why does Catnap sound different? I upgraded his voice because I think his old voice sounds a bit too quiet for my taste. Oh. Okay, can someone explain why the Peter Griffin gaff pose is on the Pick Popcorn Ident?
I don't know the meme master, but I think that looks like you. Hog 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 hog.
Well, you seem pretty sure that was the right answer, but you were wrong.
Wrong answer indeed, Chris. Like seriously, Microsoft Mary, do you really think this is funny?
But I was only joking.
And since you said that, I'll give you a punishment. Your punishment is, I'll be singing Gordon Ramsay after you.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich, Chef Ramsay.
You're an Optium, the television network from Shark City. Also, some people from Scum TV also work here as well, including these guys on screen.
What am I doing working on Optium?
Oh, scroof. There'll be more characters on the way later, such as Kirby and Wallace. To be fair, it's likely that Wallace will be next. Oh yeah, Poyo! Get wiggy, you're an Optium, because the mighty Cracking Contraptions guy will be on your way on Nicktoons The Loud Coast Ident Bloopers. Okay, who the hell put a grounder on the Pick Popcorn Ident?
It was Doug Zenith Andrew.
The hell is that guy? Well, Jack Zenith Andrew is a guy that sent me a grounder for no reason.
Just ignore this. Probably a no rules word I like to draw people's attention.
Wait, is that the BBC One Bikes Ident? Yes, Black Hole. And this will be the next upcoming logo blooper episode after this one. And to be honest, I wanted to do that for a while now. I mean, this was planned before TMMC 1 released. Yeah, and we hope you'll finally get to watch it one day. Louise and Yakko, can you come here for a sec? What's wrong? Do we need to talk or something? You know about all the madness and stupidity that's been going on between you two recently? Yeah? What about it? Well, I think it needs to stop because if you continue, you might start a rivalry between each other. But, no buts! And if I hear any more of your stupidity again, then I will— Oi! Go figure! I'm supposed to go to lectures round here! And I'm toast. Now what the hell am I supposed to do here? Throw out a brick house out the window. Okay, Kangaroo. What the hell are we seeing? Darth Vader, and it's not a baseball. Oh, go nut.
Have you eaten my donut?
Evil? What do you mean by— wait a sec. Something seems a bit fishy like the business dummy. For the last time, suction cup dummy, I'm not business dummy. If you think that I'm suction cup dummy, then why are you always business dummy? Why are they insulting each other? They've been like this since we started this entire logo blooper thing. Oh great. Also, if the word evil is on the ident, does this mean villains are coming in? Yeah, the siren might go off any second now. Here we go again. Let's see what Bowser we're going up against today. Ye cats! My evil tread again!
Of course it's me again. Why you're not surprised?
An evil doppelganger of the meme master? How original!
Oh, Shadow, you flatter me, and I did not come alone.
Let me guess, the Temu logo again?
No, you moron. By the way, he's coming in right now.
What? Isn't that the Foxy Bingo Man?
Yes, it's me, a Foxy Bingo Man.
9! It's the Foxy Bingo Man! No! The Foxy Bingo Man! Oh no! Get the Foxy Bingo Man out of the— Wait! Not the Foxy Bingo Man! No! Not the Foxy Bingo Man!
Oh no, not the Foxy Bingo Man!
So what in the name of Elton John is Evil to Me, Moss and the Foxy Bingo Man doing here?
We're here north of HD Skeleton, because HD Skeleton is mad. And if I mean mad, I mean he's absolutely furious.
Oh great, that baby lover squawks once again. I wonder what stupid thing he's throwing a hissy fit about now.
The reason why it's because Shark TV Plus is celebrating Christmas in October because of this. He stole his profile picture while putting a red X on it and made a grounded video out of him in Plotagon.
And our chairman declares that Christmas in October must be illegal.
And your infernal chairman and HE Skeleton need to realize that we have the rights to celebrate Christmas in October.
You guys are sad, strange little men.
We call that claim scandalous.
It's not scandalous. I left my call to egg.
I hear your call, Suction Cup Man. This time, I got my bro Dexter here.
Hello, everyone. I'm here to join Ed on defeating those two monsters.
Maglers! Get out of here, pink-sheep voice stealer and your stupid slang.
Hey, my dude is not a pink sheep voice stealer. Now you must taste this.
Taste what? And if you don't admit that Christmas in October is illegal, we'll dump our waste all over the meme master.
Oh no you don't. Get him, Dexter.
On it.
What's all of this stuff?
You know we're inhabitants of the Purple Hand Lair, not hot dogs.
Dexter used sauce control on you guys. Now it's my turn to take you down.
Yes! They're gone. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
You may now return to your video.
Christmas in October, the best time of the year. And also impersonated Murdoch. Hello, I'm Murdoch, I'm a pickle! Merry Christmas in October, everybody! Anyways, it's getting pretty late, so let's pick things up in the morning. And now, this leads me to say, to give, oh my god, why? Okay, it's screwing up my life, Wow, I actually got to experience it that time. Not again.